Hello my dear students as well as viewers. So in my previous video, if you have observed, if you have gone through my previous video, I had already mentioned that I will be uploading in my next video, I will be uploading how to create an app. So here I am. So in this very video, I will show you practically how to create an app. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Note that first of all what you need to do is you need to connect your internet onto your laptop or desktop so that you can go inside the web browser and browse over there, that is Snappy Appy Pie. Okay, over here just you can see that I have connected my internet, it is showing internet access. So let's start. Open the browser. Here it is. First of all, let me open Google. What you need to do is you need to just type Snappy Appy Pie. Here it is. Just click onto that. Here comes the Appy Pie app maker. Okay. Over here what you need to do is you need to just give a random name. This is my gaming name though. Just click on to next. Okay, choose the category that fits best. So basically what you need to do over here is you need to select what kind of app you are going to create. Let's suppose we are going to create an educational app. Just click upon education. So here we are. From here what we need to do is we need to pick a color as well as theme. Let's click upon dark. How cool it is. Just see. Let's select this one, deep ocean. Okay. Select which device to test your app on. If you are having an Android device, if your mobile supports Android operating system, then click upon Android. If you have an iPhone, then click upon iPhone. So mine is Android, I will select Android. Over here it shows to test your app on your Android device you must create an account first. So save and continue. Note, to proceed forward what you need to have is you need to have a Google account. So it is a very mandatory part that you should have a Google account. Okay. From here you can just give your email and password or else just click onto your Google account. Continue with Google. Okay. I will click onto here. I am sorry, I might have forgotten my password. Let me try once again. Cool, here I succeeded. Okay, let's move forward. So here we are. We proceeded successfully. It works on the principle of artificial intelligence. Customize your app design. So as we have selected deep ocean, our selection is still prevailing. Okay, here are few of the other features as well as which are present over here. Text, custom layout. Okay, let's suppose you want that your app should be in matrix form. you need to select this one. If you want that your app should look in slide out form, then you have to select this one. Or let's suppose if you want that your app should look in the bottom form, that the icons that will be present that should be straightforward on the bottom, then you need to select this one. So let's click upon this one, default choice. Okay, so okay, let's suppose your background color. If you want your background color to be black, click upon this. If you want your background color to be a bit bluish, click upon this. Okay, there are various background available over here. No need to select those. This one looks much cool. Okay, now let's save and continue. Okay, here are few of the important things that the website is showing to you. The artificial intelligence of the website is working upon the app creation. Okay, over here few of the things are being revealed. After installing your app, you would be able to see how your app appears and functions on a device. You will see your app working live and be inspired with more ideas to make it even better for your users. Okay, here comes the barcode. As soon as you will scan this barcode, you will be able to go to the website so that you can install the app. It will be available on the Play Store. Okay.
So since we have created the app, here we are. What we need to do is we need to test the app. So let's move on to the QR code scanner. What you need to do is you need to install this QR barcode scanner from the Google Play Store. Just click upon it. Here it is. This opens up. It will try to access your camera. Just give the permission. So my QR code generated is this one. As soon as we will scan the code, it gives the URL. Just click upon the URL. As soon as you will click upon the URL, it will redirect you to the browser, to the specific URL. Here it is. Since I have already installed the app, what you need to do is you need to click upon the install. In your phone, it will not show as installed, it will show just installed. If I will click upon it once again, it will show something like this. My second phone is OnePlus. As soon as I will click upon install, it will get installed in my second phone also. So here we come to the end of the tutorial. Hope you have liked it. If you have liked, you just click upon the like and subscribe to our channel. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So in my next video, I will show you the rest of the part.